So after this guy suggested a Rich Prudence video and I did it, and it actually got some views there. So he now suggested buttons, how to add buttons like those. Okay. So yeah, I told him sure, and I said in the last video that I'm gonna make buttons. So yeah, if you don't know how to make the actual rich presents, just make sure to check out the last video. It will be over here. So yeah, in this video I'm just adding buttons, and the last video I made the actual rich presents. So now let's hop into the video. Okay, so at the last video I did this, and that was the actual rich presents, and yeah, now let's add a button or two buttons. So basically this video will be very short, that's why I'm uploading twice today. The video will be how to make, like the second video will be how to make your own bots website, and it will be the first episode. So yeah, good luck for me in this. So you will type this label, and then here will be the name of the button. Okay, so like subscribe. Okay, then you'll put a comma and you'll put URL, and then here it will be wait. Okay, now here you'll put the actual URL. So I'm gonna put my channel's URL. So like this, I guess. Okay, so now after you did it, you're just gonna have to put, this is the first button. Okay, so let me show you here. So if I did it like that, this is only one button. If I pressed on it, it will not work. Like, I am the one who made it, it will not work. But if someone else pressed on it, that's my alt account. If I pressed on it, here, it is working. As you can see, I'm here at my channel, but it's kinda taking some time. Here, I'm in, and that's the last video. So yeah, now time to make the second one. If you want to add a second one, just do like this. It's not hard. Label and add the actual same thing like this. Here, and you're gonna just put it over here. I guess that's easy. I can put here Discord, and actually put the link of my Discord over here. So yeah, let me get the link. If I did like this, no dot, as I said, on my main account it will not work because I am the one, like, it is mine. But if I go to another account, my tutorials account, if I pressed on this code, as you can see, I got an invite to my server. So yeah, I'm basically inviting myself to my server. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you got any question and need any help, just make sure to check out the server link in the description, and check out the last video to know how to make the actual, like, all of this. So yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.